Oh no, disaster. My solar snowman that's been running on batteries for ages, dead batteries, was in the window there. I'd left the window open because I've been filming out of it, and we just had a strong gust of wind, and it's blown him clean off the window onto the floor and broken him. When I say broken, the wires from the coil. I wonder if it's repairable. Oh dear. He's been surviving for, I don't know, 2013, 2014. He has had the occasional extra battery. He only gets dead ones. When they're dead, I put them in there if you stop moving. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, we've still got both wires there. It might be repairable. We'll have a look. Right, can we repair him? It's actually slightly worse than I first thought, because not only have the very thin wires broken off, but also that wire there has pulled free, and it's brought part of the printed circuit board with it. I don't know if there's enough left there to actually terminate on. Yeah, so we might have a problem there. And there's a bit of the circuit board just there that I might be able to clean off and solder onto. Just have a closer look. Right, bit of a close-up this time so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Yeah, just there you can see the brown surface of the circuit board. There should be this piece, which is out of focus. That should be just there. Now I can clean it off, clean the green off the top of that bit that's left, but I don't know if it's actually going through underneath the cob, as we call it, that black blob. So, well, I'll do it and we'll find out. I'm also going to replace these green wires because they're solid wires, so they've got no flex in them, which is one of the reasons that's broken off there. So I've got some ordinary thin, what do we call this? Braided wire. Is it braided? Well, whatever. It's got multiple strands in it. Stranded wire. Yeah. So I'm going to use that and replace the other stuff. So this is my USB soldering iron, which when you don't use it for a few seconds switches itself off. So you have to switch it back on again. There we go. Alright, I got that out of the way. So I'm going to clean that off and see if we can get some solder on it. Oh, I might be able to get some solder just there. Put a little bit of flux on there. We might be able to get just on the edge of it. Might. doesn't look like it's working. Oh yeah, there's just a bit of shine on there. Right, let's get some solder. As usual, you guys can't quite see what I'm doing. Oh, you might be able to see that. Come on. So that one's all right. It's this other one that's going to be the problem. Okay, that's on there. Now we've got to try and get these wires working. And the technique there is to heat them up in the solder to get the coating off them. Right, now we want, it's got to go through what you can't see, so I'm chatting to myself. Right, this is going to get a little bit silly because this has got to go through here. Could go underneath, but in fact, shall we go underneath? That would make life a lot easier. Make a little hole in the side of here. That should make it a bit easier. Okay, now these ones, no idea which way round we want to go, so we just have to trust to luck. Got a 50-50 chance. That's one. That's the other one. I think we'll use a little bit of this stuff to hold those wires in place. Those wires have to be down out the way, otherwise they drag on the rocker. A bit of tape would be a good idea to get them down out the way. Right, let's pin them down out the way. Not quite. No, that one's picking up. Oh, didn't catch it. Right, so that's back there. At this end, we'll give him a new battery, being as we've got him all apart. That sits in there. That goes... oh no, that's an old battery. Let's try one that's a little bit newer. Oh yes. Success. So he's back together. Well, I'm happy. I expect Nanny's not impressed. So, there we go. We've managed to restore him. He's in a bit of a sorry state, but he's working again. And I've replaced that battery, which as you can see was well past its running date. I wonder if it... take him out. I think that's just still rocking from when it was moving. Yeah, I think we're asking a bit to keep running on that one. Stay still a minute, mate. Let's just see if you're getting anything out of there. Well, to be honest, he is moving. I don't know if you can see, you have to sort of line your eye up with a bit of his body and his hand. But it is still just moving on that dead battery. Hang on, let's see if I can move the camera a bit. Just the tiniest little bit of movement, but I think it's time to change that battery. Yeah, quite a difference with a better battery. That's still one that I would class as dead. It's one that I've taken out of a clock, and the clock had stopped working. But there's still enough there to rock him. Job done. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.